Hello, brethren. Behind me is some stained glass from our original Grand Lodge building on Franklin Street in Richmond. It shows a symbol that we all recognize, the broken column with the weeping virgin, symbolic of a life cut short. You know, each of us does not know the time that is allotted to us. And it's up to us to do good with every day. So my challenge for you this week is to do a good deed, to help somebody out. Perhaps call a family member you haven't talked to in a while. If you have an elderly neighbor, help them with a little yard work as spring approaches. Do something good for somebody else. While Timex may keep on ticking, we don't know how much time we have. Let's all do good with what we have. Thank you.